welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to fix in this trolley jack. So this trolley jack is not working correctly. It doesn't pump up all the way, you don't get little pumps right at the top, and I think it's been leaking oil, and I've been adding the wrong kind of oil, so I need to change oil regardless. So to that end, I've got myself a bottle of jack oil, proper stuff. You can't just put anything in. I think I even put in 2-stroke oil in that I had left over from generator videos. So what I need to do is, I think that seal has gone, and I'll change that seal as well. I've got a seal kit. I've got this on Amazon. So first thing I need to do is pull this cover off. And you can see that's where you put the oil in. So, oh, we seem to have some air in there, but regardless, it's got wrong oil in it, so it's gonna have to come out. So first thing I'll do is empty that. Let's have a look. I need to pry this rubber bung off. See if I can do it with my fingers. No. Like I said, I don't get medieval with pliers or anything like that, because I could tear it. So, but I think I'm gonna have to do that anyway. Try. See, I don't end up tearing it off and pixel damage it as well. I'm struggling to do it one-handed, so I think I'll just get this off on camera now. I've got my oil extractor, so should be able to extract the oil out of it. Now, I just had a brilliant idea, and I wish I'd have tried it sooner. You can daisy chain these hoses. I should have known that with the Mercedes. You know, when I did the air service on the Mercedes, it made the job a lot easier. But as you can see, it's pumping the oil out slowly but surely, but it's tipping it all out and making a mess. So I'll carry on pumping this jack oil out, and then we're ready to start taking the jack apart, because I'm gonna have to take the side off I need to get this off to get to the pumping part. So I'll take out, better screw that in. That'll probably make it easier. Air will be getting in. So just screw that in. It's probably making the job 10 times harder. I'll be sucking it. Anyway, I'll finish this off camera, but it's working. So first thing I'm going to do is replace this O-ring. And here's my kit. There should be something suitable in here, something I can use. Now it says this ring was suitable for a 3-ton trolley jack. So I think that's the O-ring I need. So let's have a look here, using the pick. And there you go. Managed to liberate that. Let's compare the two. Yep, that's definitely the right one. So let's have a look. I probably need to get a bit of old oil. There we go. I managed to find some oil. So that's a replacement O-ring. You can see it sits proud. We'll just pull that up. Try not to lose the pick. So I just put it into here. Oh, there we go. That feels better. Now let's see if I need to replace this O-ring. I might not need to, because it looked all right. yeah, still don't look flat. I don't know if there's another O-ring in the kit. No, there isn't. But I think that one's alright. So I won't have to change it. I think it's just that one I needed to change. Right, I'll see if I can get any more oil out of the jack here. Tip a bit of oil out, and then start filling it up again. You know, once I've got all this put back together, just reverse taking it off and replacing my makeshift replacement for the clip. I'll just use a split pin, and then once that's all done, I can start filling it with jack oil. Got the proper stuff. Got all this on Amazon. I think it was less than £15. So I'll come back to you once I've finished filling up the jack oil. Right, I've got the jack together, and it's got fresh hydraulic oil in it. And now for the moment of truth. Let's see if this will work. Unfortunately, my GoPro battery died part way through that, but as you can see, it's jacked it all the way up. So I would consider that a success and a confirmed fix. So I'll end the video here, and as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.